Stock markets in Asia opened in the red today following the rout in Wall Street overnight and crude oil prices that tumbled over growing concerns that a resurgence of COVID-19 infections could stunt the pace of the reopening of economies. India's Sensex and Nifty, Japan's Nikkei, Hong Kong's Hang Seng and the Shanghai Composite of China are all trading in the red. The three major US stock indices fell more than 5% last night, posting their worst day since mid-March, when markets were sent into a free fall by the abrupt economic lockdowns put in place to contain the pandemic. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 6.9%, the S&P 500 lost 5.89%, while the Nasdaq Composite shed 5.27%. Cases of the disease have jumped in many U.S. states in the recent days, raising concerns among experts who say that authorities have loosened restrictions put in place to contain the spread too early. The U.S. Federal Reserve earlier released a gloomy economic outlook at the end of its two-day monetary policy meeting on Wednesday. Chair Jerome Powell warned of a long road to recovery. Crude oil prices also tumbled about 8% a barrel, fueled by renewed concerns about demand destruction as new cases of COVID-19 tick up globally, while crude inventories hit a record in the U.S. Brent crude futures fell $3.18 or 7.6% to settle at $38.55 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell $3.26 or 8.2% to settle at $36.34 a barrel. Brent and the West Texas Intermediate posted their worst daily drops since April 21st and 27th, respectively. There are fears that if demand does not recover, U.S. refiners and shippers will find themselves with further excess supply. Some OPEC plus countries, including Iraq and Nigeria, have not complied with a supply cut pact by the group. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, or OPEC, Russia, and other producers, a group known as OPEC Plus, earlier made a deal to cut about 10% of global crude oil supply.